Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorial Expert. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix low quality videos on TikTok. If you find TikTok videos blurry while you're watching them, there's an option you can turn off so that you can see the high quality videos. In pursuit of quicker upload speeds, faster loading times or data conservation, your TikTok may be set in data saver mode. This is the main reason for low video quality on TikTok. To fix it, follow the steps. Go to your profile, click on the hamburger menu, click on settings and privacy. Once you're here, scroll down to data saver, and if this is like this, you need to turn it off by clicking on it. And that's it. Now all videos on TikTok will be in high quality. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, click the first link in the description.